So that's how to replace a broken controller, or if you lost a remote. What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to swap out your controller box on any of the 12 volt or 24 volt rides and make it Bluetooth friendly. Or if your remote stopped working all of a sudden and you need to swap out a controller box, then this is also the video for you. Additionally, I'm going to show you how the inside of these electric cars look and how you can upgrade the motors for the wheels and how you can upgrade the speed and replace the battery. We're not going to replace the battery in this video. I'm going to show you what to get and how it works, but we are going to change this controller and plug it in, and I'm going to show you how to pair a new controller. Now, if you also lost a controller, then you can order these separately as well on Amazon. They come in different looks and they pair pretty much the same way. So let's go and open it up. There's a screw here that we're going to undo, and then underneath, two here and two there. There we go. There we go. Now, inside, your AC adapter in this car is here. It could be somewhere over here in yours. Doesn't matter, but all the elements are the same. This here is your motor for your wheel. If you have a 6 volt, you're only going to have one. So if you want to upgrade to a 12 volt, very easy. Order this on Amazon, and you can have 2 motors, which is much better for traction and speed. It's very easy to hook everything up. They're all just like plug and play elements, and they all connect right here to the controller. So this is the controller. This is the battery. You may have one single battery. There's always a fuse as well. So for example, this is the fuse for a battery. So if we're going to replace this to an 18 volt battery from a power drill, we're going to get an adapter, and it's going to have its own fuse, and it's going to be plug and play. This first one is what you're going to be connecting to your new battery, because this one leads, if you pay attention, to the AC charger right here, and then the other one goes in to the battery terminal. This second one is for the 2 motors. So you can see that one of the black cables goes to this motor, and then this one, these 2 go to here, and then this is connected to this motor. And then this one is connected along with the bottom ones to the tail lights, the control module, and the front lights. So again, this is going to connect to a battery that's going to be 18 volts, and it's going to have its own fuse. So you're going to bypass this whole thing, and you're going to bypass the AC as well, because you don't need it. So let's remove this control box right now. There are 2 screws here. Has 3 plugs here, and then there's a plug on here, and then this one's just a newer version, and it's the same thing. It's got a plug on here, and then it's got 3 here. So let's go and disassemble everything here. Usually just press these in and they come out. Now let's go and plug this one in, and there we go. And then we just put this one on. Well, first you want to test the car. Make sure that it still functions. So everything works correctly. In order to pair this, we turn this off. Press up and down at the same time for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then the light's gonna blink really quickly with 1 LED. Now we turn this on, and then this should just go static, and that's it. That's it. So now this should work. So now, see that? So now we can control it, and then the steering wheel. So that's how to replace a broken controller, or if you lost a remote, you can just order this remote or different design remotes. So that's the video. Next video, we're going to upgrade this to a 18 volts, so it's going to go much faster. But as for this is how to do it. So thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.